Good morning, students. Hope you all are taking good care of yourself. So, today in our S.st class, we will start with our next chapter, that is chapter 17, Agriculture. Now, what is agriculture? What do you understand by agriculture? Agriculture word came from the Latin word that is agri, which means land, and culture, which means cultivation or growing crops. So, the science and art of cultivating the soil, growing crops, is called as agriculture. Agriculture means the management of the land and environment to produce food. Agriculture has been practiced in India since ages. It began in 9000 BC, that is around 10,000 years ago. Most of a country's population depends upon agriculture. Now, what we get from agriculture? हमें मिलता क्या है agriculture से? Agriculture provides us food. Agriculture provides fodder to lives for livestock. It provides so much raw material for industries. Yes, like we use sugar in our daily life, but the form of sugar we use in our home, we use at our home, that is not the form of sugar we are getting from agriculture, but we get sugar cane as a raw material from agriculture, and that sugar cane has been used as raw material in the industries for making sugar. Agriculture in India depend upon climate, landform and soil. Even agriculture of any region depend upon these factors like climate, soil and landforms of that region. So now first we will discuss about soils of India. Now what is soil? Soil is a mixture of sand and organic material used to support plant growth. It is an important natural resource and formed over thousands of years due to breaking up of rocks into very small particles. And this breaking up of rock is due to running water, wind, which cause erosion of rocks. So this is how soil is formed. Now soil of any region depend upon the climate of particular region, type of rocks of that region, and animals of that region, plants of that region. So this is the reason that India has different types of soil. Climate affects the soil, as if climate of any region will be warm, the soil will be little dry, and soil formation of any region is influenced by organisms, microorganisms, animals, burrowing insects. Fine. So these all, like bacteria, other burrowers, break down plant litter in litters and animal waste, and their remains become organic matter in the soil, and this organic matter provide nutrients to the soil. Like in India we have six types of soil. First we have alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is formed by the sedimentation being deposited by the rivers. The sedimentation which is deposited by the rivers is called as alluvium. So from alluvial, its name is given as alluvial soil. Like Ganga river from Gangetic plains, this type of soil is very fertile soil, and this is fertile because this is rich in humus. Okay, and has good water absorbing capacity. In India, most of northern plains of India are made of alluvial soil. Like we have just discussed about Gangetic plains also. These are also alluvial plains. Okay, in India, in the old alluvial soil is called as Bangar and new alluvial soil is called as Khadar. ये इनका नाम है. Okay, now next we have black soil. A black soil forms by the breaking of this black volcanic lava rocks and is black in color. This is also known as regur or cotton soil, which is rich in iron and nitrogen content. This is known as cotton soil because it is suitable for growing cotton. Okay, and it is suitable for growing groundnuts and wheat. It is good for wheat production also. Black soil is found in the Deccan Plateau region of Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat also, and somewhere in central India also. So here we found this black soil in India. Next we have red soil. Red soil is formed by weathering of the ancient crystalline and metamorphic rocks. Okay, weathering means breaking down of rocks. The color is red. This soil color is red due to high iron content in the soil. This soil has better drainage capacity and is fertile in nature. Red soil is found in the region of low rainfall region. It is found in the region of Deccan Plateau in India. This soil is suitable for cultivation of jowar and bajra. Rice is also cultivated in somewhere where rainfall is moderate. Okay, in red soil. Next we have laterite soil. This is also red in color but not fertile. So here the word laterite has been derived from a Latin word later. Okay, which means brick. एंड दिस सॉयल इज ऑल्सो वाइडली यूज फॉर मेकिंग ब्रिक्स. क्यों? क्योंकि इसका जो नाम है ब्रिक, लेटर का मीनिंग है ब्रिक इन लैटिन, सो इसीलिए इसको ब्रिक्स बनाने में यूज किया जाता है. Okay, this soil is also red in color, which I have already told you, but less fertile as compared to red soil. This type of soil is mainly found in the western and eastern coastal areas of India and used for cultivating nuts, these cashew nuts, coffee, tea, rubber, etc. Fine. Desert soil. We know that the desert is a barren land. Barren land is जो बंजर धरती जिसे आप बोलते हो, where rainfall is very very low. So this type of soil is found in dry parts of Rajasthan. Desert soil is not good for agriculture because it has low fertility. Only in few areas where water can be available इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कैनल या फिर और किसी भी तरह से अगर पानी अवेलेबल है वहाँ पर हम क्रॉप्स ग्रो कर सकते हैं, लाइक wheat, ज्वार, बाजरा एंड these types of crops are being grown. Sorry. Next we have mountain soil. Mountain soil is found on mountains, on the slope of mountains, like on the highland of Himalayas. Okay, so this type of soil is formed due to weathering. What is weathering? Weathering is breaking down of rocks due to rain, temperature variation, okay, erosion. So that is how this soil is formed. Mountain soil occupies about 8% of the total land area of India, and this soil is coarse, well drained. So this is very suitable for cultivation of tea, coffee and fruits. Okay, so nowadays what we observe that over cultivation and cutting down of trees, overgrazing also has loosened up the soil. उससे सॉयल जो है वो लूज हो गए हैं उसके पार्टिकल्स एंड दैट डिक्रीजेज इट्स फर्टिलिटी. सो दिस लीड्स टू सॉयल इरोजन बाय विंड एंड वाटर. उसके कारण इरोजन हो रहा है सॉयल का. Okay, so what we should do? We should plant more and more trees so that trees can prevent soil erosion. We should grow crops by using crop rotation. अलग अलग crops grow करना चाहिए so that fertility of soil will be maintained. Okay, so this is about types of soil and how we can save fertility of soil. Thank you.